Guys, there is some major laundry clearance going on at Safeway. I saved over $82. They had these Tide Pods marked down to $6.94. They also have this Persil marked down to $4.94. It has a dollar rebate on Ibotta. Then this Downy Rinse and Refresh at $3.94 with a $3 digital. I have a paper coupon for the Snuggle for $2 off. Another digital on this Downy Light was available. Suavitel marked down to $2.44. Downy Bliss down to $3.44, along with some other products, laundry products that were marked down as well. Just some great laundry products. Here's what I picked up. I did 2 transactions, the line across the top that has the Persil, then the ones across the bottom, the Snuggle, Tide, and Downy. I did have some paper coupons that I rolled into it as well to make it less out of pocket. I had to go through the cashier to do it because self-checkout be tripping. But here's my first receipt. I paid $13.13, saved $40. And then in the next receipt, I paid $24.37, but saved $39.25. Loaded my receipt to Ibotta and got $3 back, saved $82.25. So check your Safeway and Acme affiliates.